Hello, so in this video, we're gonna see what is the difference between change event and the input event. So if you have read the documentation, it must be clear to you. Let me read it for you. So for the input event, the MDN documentation says that the input event fire when the value of input select or text area element has been changed, right? So has been changed means like it is saying the input event is fired every time the value of the element changes. It means as soon as you start writing into your input box, and if you have set the event as an input, then it will start firing that event, right? It is different from the change event. In what way? Change event only fires when the value is committed. Okay, this is the major difference. So the what is the mean by commitment? That is, if we press the only if we press the enter key or select a value from the list of options in okay, so select option is for the case of select, right? So that in that case only the change event will fire. So you can read the change event also. Okay, now let me show you an example. So here I have made an application in which I will display all the states and capital of US. I've used an API. So you see, as soon as I start writing, as soon as I have started N, it is started giving me results. It means I have used their input event, and accordingly I am displaying the results, right? So let me show you the code also. So the whole code is not important. Let me just show you that this search el is the element of that input text, of that input element, right? And on that I'm adding this event, I'm listening that event, and I'm using advantage of this event input. And on that I'm doing some, I'm applying a callback function, and that callback function is showing us the results, right? So right now I'm using input here. Now let's see if I will use change, and what will happen. Now I'm writing n, no results. New results. Now if I will write the whole complete whole name, then on pressing enter, then only it is showing me the results. So that is the difference between input and change. Let me know if you have any other doubts in the comment.